Looky here. Looky here. I just barely can hear line noise, but listen to this. Oh, ain't that beautiful? You can't depend on the light company. Now watch this. It's off. It's on. No noise. Look here. It is gone. It is gone, baby. Woo! I love it. Don't have to wait for the light company no more. No more noise on HF. Looky here. Look here. I can't believe. Now watch this. But I tell you what I had to do. I first had the 2-meter 440 antenna. The mag mount, it's over on the floor now. I had it hooked up to the QRM Eliminator. And it wasn't really helping that much. So I don't really show people the back of the radios because there's so many wires. But anyway, what I done, I took the Stereo CB antenna. I took the Stereo CB antenna. And I don't know if you can see this or not. But right there's the back of the QRM Eliminator. And you can see, I don't use my CB antenna much. Let me get around all this junk here. About tripping. I'm trying to charge up some batteries. But I love it, man. I'm ready for line noise. Don't have to deal with the power companies telling me they can't come out here no more. That's alright. I got it whooped. See, looky here. Look here. Hang on, hold on. Look here. Now, looky here. Let me go to AM. Hang on. We go back to sideband. Look how quiet. Look here. Ain't that sweet? That's the best $50 I ever spent in my life. I'm sorry, but man, this is cool. I know I'm acting a little bit goofy, but I'm a happy camper. I am a happy camper. I don't have to deal with the light company. I got my light company Eliminator, or my QRM Eliminator. So they always say, well, it'll be a month or two before we can get out there. Man, I'm just over it. That's the best $50 I ever spent in my life. 73s, have a great day.